Hey, happy Monday to everybody out there. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you're looking forward to a short week of school this week and then hopefully a great Thanksgiving, whatever you may be doing. I know I'm looking forward to a little extra time off and just kind of time to hang out and get rested up a little bit. So, anyway, it's going to be a positive thing. Um, all right, so first thing that I'd like you guys to do on your Canvas page, I left a discussion. Okay, there's a discussion right there. Um, and you can go in and see that, and then you can follow this link. If you click on the link, it will take you right here to the RMS Digital Gratitude Wall. This is something that Mr. Taylor has put together, and I think it's pretty cool. Um, and okay, so right here, what they want you to do is you can go in, you can write um, what you're grateful for. So this one is mine right here. I'm grateful for the opportunity to teach in the same school that I was a student. I love the tradition and culture of RMS. I'm blessed with an amazing family, friends, and students. I love our community and the outdoors. Okay. Here's a few more. So I'm guessing this is Mr. Taylor's. I'm grateful for my family, friends, and opportunity for peace and growth. This looks like Mr. Mata's. I'm grateful for the opportunity I have to work with an amazing staff, students, and community. I'm also grateful for my family, health, and testimony. Okay, so anyway, a lot of cool things there. You can kind of read through. I think these are all teachers, but they've encouraged to have students go on and fill one out. So I thought that would be something cool for us. So the way that I would like you guys to do it, and you guys can see here. So I was thinking about it. So my room right now, um, was a language arts room when I was your age, when I was in middle school. And I remember standing right here in front of the class, and we had to memorize a poem. I believe "'Twas the Night Before Christmas," and we had to stand up and we had to recite that poem. And I was so nervous because I was not very good at memorizing things. But anyway, a lot of memories, you know. Hopefully something. Hopefully you guys are building some of these same memories, and hopefully it's a positive thing to think. You know, when you're my age, I hope that you think back and think good thoughts about middle school. So anyway, uh, I think this would be cool to for you guys to jump on and do. Um, if you don't want to post it here, that's fine. Okay, that's okay. You don't have to. But I would like you to post it at least right here. Okay, and I would encourage you to follow this link right here and once you write it here, you can just copy and paste it and put it in there. And then Mr. Taylor will have to um, he will have to approve it to make sure that it's school website appropriate. So anyway, something kind of fun to do. With that being said, let's we got a short week this week, so let's jump over to our book work. We are starting a new workshop today. Um, so that's an exciting thing. Uh, I'm just going to go to right to today's thing. I believe that there will be an anchor video for us. So stand up workshop, we're done. Okay, very good. Make sure if you've missed anything, you go back and you check things out. Okay. All right, so I'm going to click on this anchor video. Um, so this thing is called, as you can see, Water Fight. Droughts and water shortages threaten Earth's supply of fresh water. It's a global problem. Are there any solutions? Okay, so I'm going to click here, make predictions. Okay, do now. What do you think we will explore in this workshop? Read the title and look at the pictures on pages 66 and 67. Okay, I'm not going to have you respond to that because I'm having you do that other writing um, activity first. Okay, so let's see, how do I get rid of the do now? I don't know what just happened. Okay, so I'm going to play the video. Make sure we got enough time here. Hopefully this will work.
A drought has scorched the American Southwest. And in sunny California, where more food is grown than anywhere else in the country, the need for water has become a crisis.
California's living through some of its driest years in a century.
These lush lawns and fountains may give the impression that California has water to spare. But much of the state has a dry climate.
A lot of people that live in the city that turn their faucet on and water their yard every other day don't even realize how bad this drought is because they don't see it.
California depends on a huge network of pipes, pumps, and aqueducts. This system distributes fresh water from reservoirs, lakes, and rivers to drier parts of the state. But in a severe drought, access to this water becomes limited, and the right to water becomes a fight.
We are, right now, fighting for our survival. Because if we don't get water next year, it's, our future's dried up. We're gone.
¿Pues impactada su situación del trabajo por la escasez del agua? ¿Está ahorita sin trabajo?
When people can't get enough water from above ground, they start pumping it from below. Over 30% of California's water comes from underground.
Right now, the demand for wells is extremely high. Everybody needs the water. It's just trying to get to them fast enough.
But if this natural resource is overused, it will dry out too.
I'll tell you what, if we don't get any rain and we don't get any snowfall in the Sierras, then all the wells that we have in this whole area, including our own, will not be sufficient water to farm.
We don't want to turn into the Dust Bowl here in California, as it happened in Oklahoma when those people came over here and left Oklahoma because there wasn't any way for them to farm.
It's not just farmers who need the water. Urban areas, industry, and those protecting the environment all have a stake in California's water supply.
We really think that the state needs to get prepared, not for just now for the crisis that is upon us, but for the next 40 or 50 years. And if we have, lower rainfall and precipitation, we need to be able to capture and utilize and transport this water in a better sense that the state can survive.
What our projections show is that in the future, we can expect droughts that will last 20, 30, 40 years.
Most scientists agree that changes in climate will continue to disrupt the water cycle. With longer periods of drought, water management and conservation are crucial for protecting this precious resource.
Okay, so there's the video. You guys can see that. Good job. Let me see. There we go. Okay. All right, so you can see that there's some serious issues with droughts. Once in a while, we come like July, August, we're worried around here. We need water for our crops, things like that. But California is really struggling, as you can see from the video. And I think that this is an issue throughout the world and in other places also. So once again, okay, so our goals, to use active viewing and listening strategies to build background and content knowledge about key ideas from the video. Okay, and then communicate using precise content, area words, and academic language to discuss and compare key ideas from a video. So we saw this video. We'll have a discussion about this. But more than anything, so do the discussion online. Get it turned in. I won't have you turn anything else in your R book today. So let's start with that. Jump on. Make sure that you get your your independent reading and also your student application time in, and we will go from there. Awesome, guys. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Let's have a good week, even though it's going to be short. Okay? Thank you. Bye.